as you said, lockdown of the White House. The Capitol earlier this morning, it went into restrictive access. Military jets were scrambled. So there was this frenzy because they believe there was some sort of aircraft in restricted airspace. You can see the Secret Service presence there, as well as Capitol Hill Police. They were looking for what was in this restricted airspace. For people who don't know, the airspace in Washington, D.C. is some of the most restricted airspace in the entire country. Well, hours after this all unfolded, they found nothing. They found no aircraft. Capitol Hill Police saying they saw something on their radar. They are not quite sure what it was. An official at the White House thought perhaps it might have been a drone, but the military saying, look, when we went up, we saw nothing in the sky. So there is this mystery this evening. They believe, Wolf, that this was indeed a flock of birds, and people
What the hell did you just say?
wondering how is that possible. Quickly, we want to show you an old radar. You see those arrows there? That is essentially what a flock of birds.
So, most trusted news decided to show my state. 3 flock of birds, allegedly. Perfect circles. I have lived in New Jersey my mostly entire life, folks. I have never seen miles and miles and miles of a flock of birds. This one, again, on most radars that you're seeing in this video, you're seeing one, air quotes, blob, but this station, the Commie Network, they decided to show New Jersey. And New Jersey is the most densely populated state in the country. So, yeah, I'm not the only one.
To the east, and you can see this is just some ground clutter, all this area in here that's pretty typical early in the morning around the radar site. But once that goes away, there come what may be birds. And of course, it's hard to tell because, you know, unless you're looking up at the same time this radar image comes in, you'll never know.
How dare you!
This is live now, directly from NOAA. FYI, I just was live for a while outside, mostly clear skies. That one meteorologist said you typically get these in the morning. It's dark out right now, folks. It's 6 o'clock Standard Eastern Time. Let's go south a little bit. These birds must be going crazy. Again, this is live right this second, folks. Look at all these, air quotes, birds.
This morning, but big flock of birds taking off from the mouth of the Connecticut River this morning. Take a look at that. Watch it.